Hi, my name is Laurel Sagan. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch this video. So you're probably on my website right now. So I want to quickly explain how the whole home buying process works. First thing you got to do is go to our website and fill out the form. So it's either right here or right here, depending on what page of my website you're on. And what you want to do is fill out the form. So you want to give us your name, the property address, your phone number, and your email address, okay? Then Sam or Aaron, my assistants, are gonna call you and try to get a little bit more information. If you don't have time to let them know all that, it's fine. But they'll get the best time to talk to you, and I'll either give you a call or I'll come out, okay? And we'll walk through the property. Now, first of all, you should know I'm a licensed contractor. So what I'm gonna do is figure out what kinds of repairs are gonna be needed on the property. I'm going to start with what I think the price the house would sell for if it were in perfect condition. I'm going to tell you that number right up front. I'm also going to look at how much the house would sell for on the open market if it were in this condition that it is right now. Okay, I'm going to tell you that number right away. I have no problem if you want to sell your house with a realtor on the open market. I think that's the best way for most people. If, though, you would like a cash price from me, I'm going to give it to you right then and there. If there's any question about that price, I'm going to tell you that and get back to you within 24 hours. But for the most part, I'm going to write it down right there for you and you'll know what the price is. Now, that price, what does that include? I'm going to pay all the closing costs, okay? So there's escrow fees, city and county transfer fees, and miscellaneous fees. I'm going to pay those. I'm going to ask you to give me clear title, which is to clear any liens, mortgages, property taxes, utilities, IRS liens, things like that, and to give me title insurance to ensure that I have clear title of the property. Now, some people will say, well, I don't have money for that. But don't worry. We will put the money in escrow. Escrow will find all those liens and take care of those fees right out of escrow for you. There's no money needed out of your pocket to do that. Then once the house records, you will be wired the money directly. When we first talk, we will give you what you can expect. About a week later, we will for sure give you the exact price that you're going to be paid, and you'll know all the costs associated with it. There'll be no surprises. Also, people want to know, well, when can I close? When do you want to close? It's my company. I can be as creative as I want. If you need me to close in 10 days, great, I can do that. If you need to stay after the house closes, you need the money so that you can know where you're going next, I can do that. I can be as creative as you need me to. And that's how the whole process works. I'm going to tell you everything up front. We're going to agree to it. Also, I'm going to give you time to think about it if you want. I'm more than prepared to sign a contract right then and there, but that contract will never be like, oh, you only have 24 hours to decide. No, I'm going to give you and your family all the time that you need. So you'll know exactly how much money that you're going to get for your house. There will be no hidden fees, no hidden anything. You'll know exactly when this is going to happen. And because it's my company, I can be as flexible as you need. If you need me to buy the house in 10 days, I can do that. If you need time to move, I can give you all that time. I can even let you stay in the house after we've given you the money so that you can get to your next situation. If you need me to advance money, I have done it many times, advance money to move into your next place and then close the house. Again, we can be as flexible as you need. Thanks very much for taking the time to listen. If you have any questions, you can give me a call, 916-476-2381. If you want to go to my website and see some of our testimonials, it's laurelbuyshouses.com. That's Laurel, L-A-U-R-E-L, buyshouses.com. And if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Again, thanks for your time.